It's the 97th year we've been dropping the ball here in Times Square. We got about 2 minutes to go before it all happens, and it will be wild and woolly. Take a look at the square and see what's going on out there. They are anticipating the drop. They're ready to go with it. 97 years ago, believe it or not, they started this thing. Mayor Giuliani's official act will be to press the button, drop the ball. That'll be the last act of his administration. He is now the man of the year. Then tons of confetti will be released from rooftops. The mayor's standing by ready, and then they'll have that very famous pyrotechnic display. The crowd reaction is going to be just extraordinary. Look at it there. We've got 11:58:20. Not much time left. We're playing God Bless America because everybody remembers the last year with great reverence, great support, great sympathy. It was not the happiest year in America's life, but we are pressing on, and New Yorkers are with it. They are dynamic people. They're ready to go. They're ready to look forward to the year 2002, and the ball is up there with about 1 minute left. A little over a minute still left, but keep your eye on it. It's begin the descent. It'll be 1 minute and 10 seconds from now. That'll be the mayor's last official act, to press the button, lower the ball. Then people all over the world, 1 billion of them, will be watching New Year's Rockin' Eve here in Times Square. Not necessarily New Year's Rockin' Eve. We'll share that with the world. But there it is. We've got less than a minute now. There's excitement building. There'll be tons of confetti released. It's on that platform up there. It's about a 100-foot flagpole. Used to be lowered by hand by 7 or 8 guys checking their Mickey Mouse watch, but now it's all computerized. And as you can see, the crowd is waiting. They're going to count it down. Roughly 500,000 people out there in the square. And it's going to be just 30 seconds before the big ball drop hits here in New York. Keep your eye on it. You can check it out. Check the digital clock. We have 11:59:38, and it's going to be shorter and shorter. Happy 2002. Look forward to the best year ever. We've got 15 seconds. Gather around, get somebody close to you, because in 10 seconds it'll be the new year. In 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2002! They're celebrating. There's Wayne. Happy New Year, Wayne. Looks like a snowstorm out there, but truly it's just confetti. And a lot of happy people in Disney World, Disneyland, California. The stars are there. The best music ever is right here on New Year's Rockin' Eve. Been so for 30 years, and hopefully will continue for many, many more. There's the Magic Wizard's hat with the fireworks at Disney World. They, of course, are celebrating the birthday of Walt Disney. There are many reasons to celebrate this year. The tragedy of last year brought all Americans together, and the world is supporting us. Let us look forward to the greatest year we've had in years to come. They're celebrating in Times Square. They're celebrating in California. They're celebrating in Florida. It's 2002. Look at that magic castle. The OJs. They're going to be along with Blink-182, Bush, Blue Cantrell, LFO, Pink, Busta Rhymes, and Jessica Simpson. Wayne Brady's hosting that party out in California, while the Floridians are watching the fireworks at Disney World. Disney folks in New York City, they checked out #1 Times Square. They're cheek-to-jowl, wall-to-wall people. They're a little late in coming out this year. It's a little chilly out there, about 16, 17 degrees with the wind chill factor. Not as cold as it's been some years, but look at that flurry of confetti. It's red, white, and blue this year, for obvious reasons. Happy New Year! Got his 2002 glasses on. Look at that snowstorm of confetti. That's our ABC studio, and we're here bringing you the best of the best. Don't forget, the party continues at 2 o'clock this morning Eastern Time. Disney World's joining us, along with the folks in Times Square. That's Mayor Giuliani, or former Mayor Giuliani. Disney Caliber Jessica Simpson here. Hello, Jessica. Happy New Year. They were wondering if the crowd would show this year in Times Square. Never did I doubt it. Never, ever. New Yorkers are resilient people. They are strong. There was a time when New Yorkers were always told that the mother jokes their top and their harvest. Now, all of that has changed. The world has supported New York this year, and they are moving forward. There's the mayor. Former Mayor Giuliani just told me downstairs a few minutes ago that he's looking forward to his new career. And, of course, is the new mayor. Mayor Bloomberg will be sworn in just a moment here when the quiet subsides. Actually, he's been sworn in 3 different times. And he sort of has his work cut out for him. Former Mayor Giuliani has been christened the Man of the Year by Time magazine. Mayor Bloomberg will have to fill his shoes. He's certainly a man of great intelligence and fortitude, as they